putting some concealer down as a base, and we're gonna blend, 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 blend. Okay, so I really just made up this look. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's other looks out there that look just like it, but you know what month it is, and I wanted to do something to tribute. I don't know what's wrong with my lighting, guys, but one day I'll get it right. So if you can't tell, it is green, like a lime green, then we have yellow, and we have orange, and then we have blue. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to start patting this orange right here. And y'all, I get all my makeup from my local hair store. And you know, like every now and again I'll get something offline and stuff, but yeah, I'm cheap for right now. Now I'm putting this red right here. Just gonna blend that in. Oh, that's real pretty. Concealer right here. And just look up. That's tip right there if you didn't already know, that perfectly aligns your crease up. So you don't have to worry about it being uneven. And with me having a lazy eye, it's really hard sometimes to get my makeup even on both sides. But I'll be trying. Lime green I'm gonna lay here in the corner. So I'm just gonna keep patting this in until, you know, it get that pigment that I like. Yellow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Boom. Are you serious? Did my eyeshadow, I mean, my freaking concealer just... Clean that right on up. Makeup is all about trial and error, guys. I'm not the best, but I'm also not the worst. We're all improving here. Straight line upwards. And then we're gonna go with this kind of like royal blue in the corner. I'm gonna pat that in there as well. Oh my god, look, bro. Wow. I'ma die. I almost died, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and... Dang! My eyeliner. Even though I get like my all makeup from like the hair store and stuff, they still be, they have like some name brand stuff in there. Like, I know they have NYX, some Maybelline and stuff. So I be getting like little stuff like that. Like this eyeliner right here is NYX. That's the point. Mascara on. Okay, so I just put my lashes on. Yeah, I probably can't really tell because I like to get the natural looking ones. I don't like the big bodacious ones, but I don't know if you can see. But yeah, my primer. This spot right here, boy, it be getting so shiny. I be getting so frustrated. Cause I be wanting to wear makeup places, but I just sweat too much. And I don't be trying to waste time to put it on. And then it don't even be lasting. Well, I was looking for a name, but it looks like the only name that this has is 358. I mixed this with my... I have like a weird skin tone. It's like I'm brown skin, but I have like a light, what they say, under or overtone or something like that. So if I get dark, like dark foundation, it looks too like, I don't know, muddy. But if I get too light, you know, casket ready. But so I mix them together, and you know, I get what I want. Blend, blend, blend. I don't know why on camera my makeup be looking like that, but it don't look like that. I'm over here looking at myself in the mirror and it don't look how it looks on here. Maybe it's the ring light. Concealer right here. Yep, my doggone phone might die. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. And contour. I'm gonna go in everywhere I put concealer and set it with my setting powder. Wait a few minutes, and then let me go ahead and contour a little bit more. So I'm gonna let that get done, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Stroke so hard that it break brooms. And with my highlighter. Yo, my phone just tried to call me ugly. It used the face recognition to open it, and because I got on makeup, it wanted to turn and line it up, and line my lips. Just some regular old lip gloss. Excuse my hair, y'all, but it's not a hair tutorial, so. But this is the finished look, guys. My first time trying like a multicolored thing, and I think I did pretty good for my first time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. Tips and, you know, anywhere I can better myself, I'm always down to hear it. But yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for my next video.